I'm one of those who believe that there are a lot of experts. Government uses a lot of experts in this country. For instance, when the COVID came, we were told that this is the first time COVID is coming. But within 2 weeks, we got a lot of experts in COVID. And it turned out that some of the things they suggested didn't work out properly.
They didn't even take the suggestion themselves.
And they took a lot of money from government. Yeah. Sometimes it is good idea for government to work with people who are on the lower cadre of the strata. Yeah. I don't know how that will work out. Government sometimes look forward to getting experts only. The only way I would suggest is for them to involve people who are not experts, especially consumers, working class consumers. Make them part of whatever they are doing, because the ideas from the grassroots will also be fashioning out what they want to do towards meeting the target.